Swamiji, I have a question for you.
Yes.
What is a guru?
I think this is a very, very important question. Guru means a teacher, and we also call Sadguru means one who teaches about Sat or God, that name is given as Sadguru. Normal Guru means a teacher who teaches us the art in living, all our arts, science, physical things, business, education, politics. We need somebody to guide us, train us because they have more experience. So, Guru means teacher is essential, but nowadays the word Guru has been misunderstood, associated with religion. The gurus that are nowadays preaching, whether it is in Christianity or in the Hindu religion or any religion, has been a profession or making money in the name of God. That is why I think that word Guru has a connotation that I really don't approve. Guru means one who loves God and who should teach about God without charging you, without any agenda, without having desire to build temples, hospitals or something. All this must be built by the society and the Samaj and the people who are wise in the society. They should be taking care of all these things so that the gurus are totally engrossed in God, they are in touch with God, and they have no other concern except to give the knowledge of God realization rather than getting involved in money and followers and the structure that they make, the institutions they have to run. I do not understand how they spend so much time in running their show that they have time about finding God or teaching God. So I would say that gurus nowadays are very deceptive, and if they are after money, if they are collecting people or money, or they have any project, no matter in the name of God, whether it's a temple or institution or even hospitals or working for the poor, it is not their business, it is the business of the society to look after that. So I would say that today we are very much deceived in the name of gurus. I would very much recommend that God Himself is the Guru. He is in us. He will take care of us. If we have faith, you don't need to even listen to these guys who are deceptors, and they don't mean what they say. They have their own agenda. They care very little about you. And there are very few real Sadgurus like Ramakrishna or Mahatma Gandhi or Buddha or Meera or Nanak. They and Jesus, they are so rare. They are the ones who are really gurus, but they don't want to be gurus because they are lovers of God. They tell you, I am your lover and we are beloved. We are not here to make a profession, or I am a teacher and you are a disciple, you sit on my feet and I sit on the top of a wall or something, then you worship me. All these things is designed by the Brahmins or the ritualistic to make a business out of religion. I think we should totally stay away from all these things and find God in everywhere, in everything, not in a particular building, whatever we may call it temple, gurudwara, churches, and other names that we have been given, synagogue or ashramas. All these things had a good purpose at one time, but today it has become a business. So I would say very much that you be cautious and try to understand that God is within us. He is the Guru of all gurus and He is going to take care of us. So try to take care and take charge of your life by studying, and God will take care of what your need is. But do not believe in the modern day gurus. I am considering all of them. Keep them out. You will not have done harm to God. God understands that deception is going on. God will take care of us. So I would say that is all I would want to say about the gurus today.